everybody, and welcome back to our short IT video trainings. Today we'll continue the scripting part of it, and we'll create a small VB macro, a small VB script for Excel to modify the properties of a cell and to assign some values to it. So we're going to open up Excel, go to the developer tab, editor. We're going to create a macro for the active sheet, which is sheet 1. Okay. So we're going to have to create a subroutine. Let's say modifications. It's going to terminate in end sub automatically. In order for us to see the modification we're going to make, we're going to have to assign values to cells, let's say 1 to 5. Right? So let's select the cells 1 to 5. So it's A1, column A5. Dot select. Selection formula R1 C1 equal test. We're going to write test inside, and let's modify in the font as well. Selection font size, let's make it 18. We can run it now, and you'll see it's gonna, I'm sorry, that's my mistake. Test should be in quotes. Run. There you have it. Okay, so now we have the text here. We can insert the modifications and see how it modifies. Alright, so let's select cell 1, A1, select, and let's modify. So selection font dot bold, equal true. I'm going to make it bold, right? So if you run it now, there you go, it's bold. All right, let's make the second one italic. Now it should be easier because we already know how to do it. So it's going to be A2, select, selection dot font dot italic equal true. Right? I'm going to run it. There you have it. Okay. Let's modify some colors. Okay, so we selected 2 already. Let's take italic out, so we're not gonna write as much code. And range A2 select, so we selected cell A2. Let's make it a little different. We're gonna make a width selection, and we're gonna modify the interior first, and let's say color 5 to 5. Okay, and width I'm sorry, that's width. There you go. Let's run it. There you go, it's green. Okay. If you want to modify the font, it's going to be the same script, but instead of interior, it's going to be with selection.font, right? So I'm going to modify the font to green, and of course everything will disappear because the font is green, right? So green on green background, you're not going to see anything. So let's do 3 so you guys can see what's going on actually. So we're going to select 3, A3 select with selection font, so far so forth. Okay, we'll run it. There you have it. Okay, let's, what else can we do? Let's change the font, right? So for A5, for example, it's going to be the same with selection font, but the property modified is not going to be the color anymore. It's going to be the name, font name, right? Font name, and we're going to make it Arial Black. Doesn't matter how you write it actually, because it's going to run it regardless. There you have it. And let's modify, well, we already modified the size, so that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our blog, watermarked at the bottom of the video. You're going to have the full script there that you can copy and paste and use it. And thank you for watching again.